Hello guys, you're welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to fund your Facebook ads account and then how to run Facebook ads within the next few minutes. Okay, so you are going to follow the step-by-step guide, and then I can assure you, after watching this video to the end, you should be able to run your first ads perfectly without any challenge. Alright, so very quickly, let's go on to it. So go to your Chrome browser, and now the first thing you want to do is to download the Meta Ads app. Okay, so the Meta Ads app, just search for that on Google. Okay, now this is the app, this first one, Meta Ads Manager. Okay, so click on it. It will take you to your Google Play Store. Then you click on install. All right, now because I already have a copy in my phone, that's why it's showing on install and then update, so I don't have to update this. So what I will just have to do now is to go to the app on my phone. Okay, so this is the app, Meta Ads. Now once you click on the app, the next thing you have to do is to log in with your Facebook username, your Facebook email, and then your password. Okay, so if you used your phone number, so the same way you log into your Facebook account, whether through your phone number and your password, or your email and your password. Okay, so once you do that, you log in. It will take you to an interface like this. Now because I've been running ads, this is a different ads account. Actually, I've been running some ads on this new ads account. That's why you are seeing all of this. Okay, now the current ads I just completed brought in about 90 people from Facebook to my WhatsApp messenger to join my training. All right, so for you are not going to see anything here. It's going to be clear blank. All right, so what you have to do first of all is to fund your ads account. So let's go to that now. Click on this settings icon on the right extreme, bottom right extreme. Okay, then now look at this. It says your ads have been turned off because you've reached the spending limit you set for your ad account. All right, the money was exhausted, so Facebook had to stop running that ad. So come here to payments, click on payments. Okay, so this is my balance on this ads account, so I want to fund it right now. So click on add funds, allow it to load. Now usually it will load 4,500, but you don't necessarily have to fund up to 4,500. So I'm just going to show you an example using just 1,000. all right, now once you type the amount, if it's 10,000, just type the amount, any amount you want to fund. Okay, but for me a minimum of 1,000 naira. All right, it's okay. Then you click on Naira payment with MasterCard/Visa PayU, this one at the bottom here. So click on this. All right, so once you click on that, you come here and click on add funds. So it's going to load and redirect you to a different web page. Okay, so come here now, look at this and click on continue. Just click on continue. It will load and take you to an interface where you enter your payment details. All right, so now look at this circle close to this card. All right, so click on this circle, become black, then you can enter your card details. So here you are going to enter your card number. All right, so make sure you enter your card number correctly so you don't have to go through this session again. So I'll enter my card number right here, and then because I've been using this account, so that's why my name is showing right here. Okay, so but for you can just enter the name on your card. So enter the name on your card, all right, as it is written on your card. Then the expiry month, enter the expiry month, then enter the card expiry year. Okay, then you come here to enter your CVV number. Now your CVV number is the 3-digit number at the back of your ATM card. So enter that 3-digit number here. Then after that, you click on pay whatsoever amount you are funding. Okay, so click on this pay 1,000 naira. So it's going to load, and then you will receive an OTP code that you are going to use to finalize the payment for funding your ads account. Alright, so authenticating your transaction. So after this, I'm going to receive an OTP code. Now the code will be sent to your email, and then it can also be sent to your phone, because this code is coming from your bank. Alright, depending on how your bank communicates with you. It says please enter the one-time password OTP sent to your registered number. So for me, usually I receive this through my phone number. So if it's your email, good, depending on the channel through which your bank communicates with you. So this is coming from GT Bank. Now I can decide to minimize and then just go to my email, minimize and go to my email to check it out, because sometimes you can receive the code directly to your email while it's still waiting. So you see the code is already here. Alright, so this is let me just copy it directly, minimize, come back here, and then so I'm going to paste it right here. Okay, so now click on confirm. Allow it to load. Once it loads, boom, your ads account will be funded immediately. Alright, so just allow this to load. Be patient. It says your transaction was successful. Now click on continue. Alright, so it is done. All you need to do right now is just minimize and go back to your app. Okay, just go back to your app and check it out. So when I come back here now, I'm going to see the amount funded. So go to payment again and look at it. Wow, so this is it, 1,000 naira funded to my ads account. Alright, if you learned something from this video right now, please kindly click on the subscribe button and click on the notification bell, so that each time I publish a new video, you can always receive the notification and then just get the value from the video. Thank you so much.